Welcome to the Eve and Malk Safety Show. That's Eve.
And that's Malk.
Today we're going to be talking about standards. I've been reading up about B11, and what B11 standards should I be looking at, Eve?
So B11 is a great place to start if you're looking at machinery safety standards in the US. And you're kind of, the top one that most people have heard of is going to be B11.0. And B11.0 talks about risk assessment. It's called itself just safety of machinery, but it's basically going through the risk assessment process and those first few things you need to consider when you're trying to reduce that risk down.
Those are the only standards? So if I get the B11 standards, that's all I need? The main standards?
So there's B11.0, which is that main one. That's called a basis standard. And then there's a few Type B standards, as they're called. So that's going to cover things like risk reduction measures in B11.19, functional safety in B11.26. So those are the kind of broad topics. And then the key thing to consider is looking then for Type C standards. And Type C standards are machinery specific. So you'll find one for a particular power press, for a particular type of baler. So whatever machinery you're trying to do a risk assessment for, trying to make safe, always have a look to see if there's a Type C standard, because that's going to be a great starting point.
Sounds like I've got some reading to do.